Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the memory waste regarding the anatomy and physiology. Anatomy is the study of body structure. Physiology is the study of body function. Then levels of body structure. First, the large number of cell unite to become tissue. Tissue unite to forming organ. Organs form system and system form body. Let's see cell membrane, that is the protection function. Entry exit function. Nucleus is the largest organelle of the body which helps in cell activity and content DNA. Mitochondria, we also know it is the powerhouse of the cell. ATP is the energy currency. Or ribosome is the protein factory. Endoplasm reticulum transporting function. Golgi apparatus packaging function. Cytoplasm site of metabolic activities. Then we come to the next point, that is the tissue. Group of cell unite to form tissue. There are 4 types of tissue. First is epithelial tissue. It lining in the body cavities and skin, protection, observation, secretions. This is the function of epithelial tissue. Connective tissue, bone, blood, cartilage, which support the body, and binding is the important function of connective tissue. Muscular tissue, it is helps in movement. 3 types of muscular tissue: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscle is voluntary, cardiac smooth muscle involuntary. And last is nervous system, which helps in nerve conduction, impulse conduction. Skeletal system, it contains 206 bones. Function support, protection, and movement. Joint, fibrous, cartilaginous. Then the muscles contain 639 muscles in human body. Movement, postures, maintenance, it is the function of muscles. In blood, having pH 7.35 to 7.45. RBC, oxygen transport capacity, so it carries oxyhemoglobin. RBC is otherwise known as the erythropoiesis. WBC is known as leukocytes, and platelet is known as thrombocytes. And the ABO blood grouping first introduced by Karl Landsteiner. Then the WBC is known as the policeman of the body. Respiratory systems, organ starts from nose, nasopharynx, then trachea, bronchus, bronchi, and then lungs. Normal respiration, we can say eupnea, that is 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Less than 16 called bradypnea, and more than 24 called tachypnea. Then the digestive system, organ contain mouth, oropharynx, then esophagus, stomach, and small intestine. Anosrectum, enzyme contain amylase, lipase, and pepsin. Esophagus is the food pipe, which is 25 cm long. Stomach, food reservoir, and mechanical and chemical digestion takes place here. Absorption, maximum absorption takes place in the small intestine. Defecation, it is the removal of waste product in the form of feces. Nervous system, central nervous system contain brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system contain cranial and spinal nerves. There is 12 pair of cranial nerve and 31 pair of spinal nerves. Autonomic nervous system, there is sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic, flight and fight. Parasympathetic, rest and digest. Brain is the cerebrum with the largest area in the brain, which is helping intelligence and memory. Cerebellum contain balance, and medulla oblongata vital function like breathing and heart rate, which is also known as the respiratory and cardiac center. Then we comes to the next, endocrine gland. Pituitary gland is the master endocrine gland. Thyroid gland help in metabolism. Parathyroid gland help in calcium balance along with the calcitonin. Then the urinary system, it contains kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra. Nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. The function of kidney: excretion, water, electrolyte, maintenance. Reproduction, male and female. In male, reproduction takes place in spermatogenesis process. It is the smallest cell organelle, and ovum is the largest cell organelle. Lifespan 24 hours in ovum. and 40 to 70 are in sperm. Integumentary systems, that is skin, hair, nails, function protection, temperature regulation. Lymphatic system, lymph nodes, spleen is the graveyard of body, blood bank of the body. Function is immunity and fluid balance. I had given all the photos of this session. You make note. This is help you further. I hope it will give you a complete knowledge regarding the anatomy and physiology. Shortly, later on we discussed briefly. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe the channel and comment.